How do you maximise your market research efforts? It might not surprise you to hear that in addition to gathering data, I think market research is great for marketing promotions. So here are some options for you to try. Starting with surveys, polls, multiple choice. You can turn the results into graphics, say infographics, social media posts, and that original research really positions you as an authority. Feedback from past customers can help inform your future work, but can also form the basis of testimonials and case studies that you then share. You could also ask people who are filling out your surveys to give you a review on Facebook, Trustpilot, Google, those kind of places. Just ask one final question: would you recommend us? And if they say yes, give them on that last page a link to fill out. Alternatively, if someone seems really happy with your product, then ask them if they know someone else who'd also find it useful, and make it really easy for them to share, maybe even give them a discount code. Market research is easy to justify when you know it's driving future promotions. Next week, we ask if you are close to striking gold.